Good morning.
I'm part of Wipro's Global Media and Telecom Business Unit. We have a significant presence in media and telecom. And what I plan to do is spend the next 5 minutes sharing with you what are some of the trends we see in the market globally. So one distinct trend we see in the market is about workloads moving to the cloud. And here is a case study about an online gaming vendor, a leading one, trying to move its workloads to the cloud. And the reason for that, two main drivers. One is, of course, from a cost optimization point of view. And the more important thing is from a business agility. And there are multiple models when you move to the cloud you can consider. One is a private cloud model. Second is a public cloud, and the third is a hybrid cloud. And you will see all these different models being deployed. Zynga is a good example of a private on-premise model being adopted. Netflix, on the other hand, is totally a public cloud using AWS from Amazon. Now, the first thing we need to do when you move the workload to the cloud is to be able to characterize the workload. Now, the workload itself will vary significantly depending upon the months of the year or of the days of the week or even the time of the day. So it is very important that you are able to characterize the workload. And cloud, you will get the maximum benefit from cloud when there is a huge variability between your peak load and your average load. However, moving to the cloud has its own challenges. When you plan to use the cloud, it is not that you will build your applications, whether it is a gaming application or any other application, you will not build it grounds up. You will already have your own existing applications. And moving to the cloud, moving an existing application to the cloud, there are a number of challenges. One is always existing applications have been built with the assumption that it is a very controlled environment. And by that I mean that the application assumes that there is a certain reliability from the hardware as well as from the network. When you move to the cloud, that assumption no longer is true. So, and most applications when they have been built, they have not been built with failover in mind. And in the cloud, many times hardware components will fail. So your application has to gracefully recover from that without impacting the user. So that is a big challenge which you have to overcome when you migrate existing applications into the cloud. The second big challenge we have when we move to the cloud, applications originally have been designed with the idea of vertical scaling, which means that you add more and more hardware to an existing application to be able to scale up. In the cloud, you scale horizontally. That is, you either scale out or scale in. And again, most applications that have been built originally have not been built with this in mind, right? So, and like this, there are a lot of other challenges, which obviously, because we have limited time, we cannot get into the details. But myself and my colleague Vivek, we are more than happy to spend time after the panel to get into other details. The other trend that we see in the industry is about tools being delivered in a rental model or in a pay-per-use model. And this is definitely when we talk to various customers of ours, they talk to us how various modeling tools or rendering tools, how they can be moved to the cloud. And there are three factors that are driving it. One is if you look at all the leading studios around the world, they have invested a lot in building these tools. These are custom tools which they have invested in building over the years. And they now want to monetize it. Second important factor driving it is to improve the production capacity. Always we find that there is always a lack of infrastructure when it comes to movies and games. The third important thing, and which I think is also very relevant in the context of India, is to make the tools affordable to everybody, whether it is a tier 2, tier 3 studio, right? So I think this is a very distinct trend we are seeing in the market as well. However, moving to the cloud raises new challenges, and the most important challenge that we see is around security. And this is a subject right now, a lot of people, including us, are investing into it to see all the security aspects that are there with respect to the cloud. Now, in many ways, security is like a Bollywood movie. There is a constant battle between the good guys and the bad guys. So you will never be able to engineer a solution by which you can say that, yeah, I am 100% secure. So that is the most important thing that to be considered when you talk about security. And security, if you have to implement a solution, it is not only about technology. You need to build a holistic approach. And what do I mean by that holistic approach? Is to do a cost-benefit analysis. It is important that you understand what is the criticality and the value of the media asset that you are trying to protect. And also it is important to know who is going to try to steal that asset. And based on that, you build your security solution. And there are various models available, threat models available from international standard bodies like the ITU, based on which we can build our security solution. Now, once you have done the cost-benefit analysis and the modeling, you can go and implement your security framework. And here again, when you move to the cloud, new challenges come up. Like, for example, traditionally, from a network point of view, VLANs are used to secure the network. But VLANs traditionally are inside the box, inside a router or a switch. But in a cloud world, VLANs move out of the box into a virtual machine, and that creates new challenges from a security point of view. So those are some of the things that you need to keep in mind when you are building a security solution with cloud in mind. And lastly, the last point I would like to touch upon, there is a lot of innovation and R&D investments happening around security solution. So many of you may have heard about digital watermarking. That's a buzzword today about how to protect your media assets. But one point I would like to highlight, it is not always that you need to invest in the latest technology. So here is a DRM solution that we implemented to secure the workflow during the pre-production phase. And this was by just customizing a setup box to be able to deliver what we were trying to achieve. So there are a lot of solutions which have been built over the years, which we can leverage on to have some of the cost-effective solutions. So with this, I would like to end my presentation, and thank you.